types that we have learned, okay, is integer. Now, integer main is a main function, okay? Integer main is a function that we call every time we work with C++ program. And this main function, um, we're gonna work with integer, okay? So let's define an integer, int, that's the keyword, okay? So we're gonna define an integer n, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do assignment. Let's say n equals 20, okay? N equals 20, and now uh, we want to check what is the memory allocation for this data type, which is an integer here. Okay, so to check that, what we're going to do, we're going to do a screen output, cout, screaming operator for output. That we're going to write, we're going to include the string literal. Okay, that's going to tell that size in terms of memory. Okay, size of an integer. Okay, size of an integer n. Okay, um, so now the keyword, okay, that's going to return the size of n. Okay, we can retrieve that using size of. Okay, and then we just use uh, a new long character for the readability. Okay, so now basically this is going to tell what is the size of this integer. Okay, and you might have known that what is the size of an integer. All right, so it's going to return me the string literal size of an integer n, and that's going to be, you're going to see how many bytes. So what do you see? The size of this integer is 4 bytes, okay? 4 bytes. And now
Professor, where does it say that it's 4 bytes?
Oh, because okay, where does it say? It's gonna say here.
Okay.
You do the same thing on your editor. If you're using GDB, then do the same thing on the GDB editor. You see? Now it's telling the size of an integer at 4 byte. If I want to make more readability, then I can use more new line tab, okay, so that we can read better. You see? The size of 4 bytes.
Professor, how you get that? How did you get that? My picture you could just type.
So you're asking about the terminal window or the editor window?
Yeah, not that, but we was just typing before, so you could see the terminal window.
Oh, okay. Are you using the terminal or are you using the GDB?
I'm using that we just pulled up. Like how do I get there?
This terminal window?
Yeah, this terminal window. How do I get that terminal window?
Okay, most likely you can't do that right now. Use the GDB. Okay, practice on the GDB and click the run button there. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to work with terminal window, then work with me in the office time, and it will take time for you because you're new. Okay, work on the GDB. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now what I will tell you, I will assign a work for the remaining time. So what you're going to do, you're going to write a similar program, but you will find out the size of a double, and that is your class practice. So I'm pasting out those on the chat window, and you work from there. And what you do, you practice and find out what is the size of a double. Okay, I did it for an integer. You're going to do it for a double. Okay. Okay, so write similar code to find out the size of a double variable in bytes. Okay, so this is a class practice. And for the class practice purpose, I am going to split the lab group in 4 of them. And you're going to do a collaborative work in each group. And you're going to share your screen with me, at least one from each group. Okay? And make sure you communicate among yourself to